Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from King Mixup, it's not credible. And people, the day is finally here. Yes, this is a day thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon you have been waiting for. And I'm talking about DNA. Yes, a lot of you been asking me, King, what's up with the DNA results with Nicholas and Spice? And you don't know the thing said. I'm not here to get involved in nobody's business. Um, but these are celebrities, and you don't know the thing said, people. I have the court records. Yes, Spice is filing for sole custody of her children she has with Nicholas. You know, Nicholas and I think Nicoletta. You can help me with the pronunciation in the comment section. But yes, people. Basically, she's saying he's a deadbeat dad. He hasn't been there. And yeah, and we know that he's going to be, I guess, firing his big guns because obviously there's proof of him taking care of the children while she was on tour doing her thing. You feel what I'm saying? But it's just crazy it came to this. You feel what I'm saying? But people, sooner or later, you're gonna find out if Nicholas is the father, because you don't know what the thing said, people. Rumors are spreading, and Nicholas says he sees a lot of resemblance between his sons and Baby Shamp's sons, but like I said, people, Spice says she knows her baby father, even though she said, you know what, let me be myself. Stop it, stop it. But yeah, people, I have the court records. This is a super exclusive. You're not hearing this nowhere else. And if you hear it somewhere else, well, they got it from here because I uploaded it first. Because I noticed said, oh, well, I will not run with my rascal sentence in and no one give me credit. And especially you viewers who keep on viewing the videos and not liking it, you know what I mean? But they're not like some people who are remix me sentiment, you know what I mean? Regardless what you have against me or not, put some respect on my mother freaking ish and hit the like button. You know what I mean? We're trying to get 1,000 likes to get the video and the pages out there. But we will deal with that later. Let's get into this. Okay, people. Time for people business, but you don't know the deal. Hit that like button. We're trying to get 1,000 likes. You don't know what the thing said it makes the page look good. And don't forget to tap up the cash app because them information you're not cheap. You see me I said? Because if you look at the top of the screen, it says in the Superior Court of Cobb County, state of Georgia, Grace Hamilton, petitioner versus Nicholas Orlando Law, petition to establish custody. And it says comes now petitioner Grace Hamilton, referred to as petitioner, and makes files this petition to establish custody against Nicholas, referred to as respondent, and shows this honorable court as follows. Petitioner is a resident of Cobb County in the state of Georgia and has been so for at least 6 months. You see me I say? Next, proceeding to this filing of action. Respondent is believed to, I'm not going to put his information out there, people. You don't know the things that we have to block that out. You see me I say? And jurisdiction and venue are proper in this court. Respondent may be personally served a copy of petition to establish custody. That means that, them have to serve Nicholas with a summons, you know what I mean? Petitioner shows that she and the respondent are not married to one another and has never been married to one another. And that's Spice, the petitioner, just to keep everybody on track. The petitioner shows that she and the respondent were previously in a relationship with one another. Petitioner shows that she and the respondent have 2 children together, born as issue of their relationship. And they go on to name the child, Nicholas Hamilton, a male child born in 2007, and Nicolatoy, Lal, a female child born in 2011. You see me, I say? referred to as minor children because they're all under 18. So a petitioner shows that DNA tests should be performed concerning respondent and the minor children, meaning Spice wants Nicholas to take a DNA test to prove that he's the father. The children to conclude that respondent is the biological father of the minor children. And they say in pursuant, and you don't know the law business. Petitioner requests that respondent paternity of the minor children be determined. You would think that it would be Nicholas wanting to do the paternity test because I didn't bring up, say, baby shaman. You know what the rumors were saying. But nevertheless, people, when you're dealing with family court and filing for petition, regardless of what, the court wants to, make sure they going after the right person. I mean, I'm not saying Nicholas is wrong. I'm just saying, people, that's just how it goes. Petitioner shows that the respondent has never sought to establish any parenting time with the minor children and has never contributed to the financial support of the minor children since their birth. Claude. People putting out a comment section, what do you think about what you heard so far? I guess this is a case of an abandonment. What I mean? Petitioner shows that it is in the minor's best interest that she is to be declared the sole primary physical custodian of the minor children, and that she is awarded sole legal custody of the minor children with the right to obtain passports for the children without consent of respondent. So, the other day, Spice did a reel up about him now on with the pitney them passport, so the youth, Nicola and Barna, Atlanta, or Miami, one of them places, but the girl born at Jamaica, so she didn't need both parents to do the passport thing. So I guess he wasn't complying with Spice. So I guess this is one of the reasons why she went forward with the petition. Anyway, back to what the things are saying. Petitioner shows that she is a fit and proper parent. She is stable residence, is employed, and is capable of providing the environment and home that would be ideal for the minor children to accomplish their full potential, and is not seeking any support from the respondent. Whoa. Petitioner shows that there is no action pending connecting custody of the minor children in any other jurisdiction, and that she and the respondent are the only parties having a legal interest in the custody of the children. It has been necessary for the petitioner to retain an attorney to represent her in these proceedings. Petitioner is hopeful that the parties will all be able to amicably resolve the issue of custody and enter into a comprehensive consent order in the event respondent opposes the responsible relief sought here. Petitioner requests the court award her attorney fees and expenses. What? Hey, Spice, where petitioner prays the service of process issue and the respondent be served with a copy of summons and petition that this court issue of standing order. And it says that this court enter a order for DNA test to establish conclusively that respondent is the biological father of the minor children, that this court award petitioner temporary and permanent sole legal and sole primary physical custody of the minor children with the right to obtain passports for the children without respondent's consent. I guess she really wants to, I guess she's trying to really get her daughter straight. That this court grant petitioner any and all further relief as justice demands, requires, respectively. Submitted this 12th of April 2021. It's a and the liar business. Yeah, and there you go. Miss Grace Hamilton says She personally appeared before the undersigned officer, um, authorized, and you can see it's notarized, so it's official, people. You don't know what the thing said. Hit that like button, man. Nobody delivers like me, you know. $1 King Mix Up is the Cash App. You don't know what the thing said. All the support is appreciated. And let's proceed. Now, there was some more court papers, but it wasn't really that important. This was the meat of the matter, you know. I think there was a court, whoever served the paper's name, you know. I don't think it was Jason's name, and I don't know where Justin is. I mean, sorry about that. His IG page is still missing, but it's just a messed up situation, you know. But I guess some answers are finally going to be answered, you know. No more thinking, you know what I mean. I guess Nicholas is going to finally get confirmation that his son is his son, you know. And regardless of what, he's still the youth father. The youth sees him as his father, and that's what counts. You see me, I said, regardless of what mommy and daddy had deal with his side. But, you know, he was adamant about it. So, you know, he's getting it, you see me. But the part about he doesn't take care of his kids, and that's, well, you know, that's up for the court to decide. We don't know what go on already, you know. Nicholas, they did it when Spice is there on the road and make the money, and you know how the thing goes, you know what I mean? A lot of people said Nicholas used his money and invested in Spice career. So like I said, people, I'm just a messenger. I hope everything works out for everybody, you know, Spice, Nicholas, and the children, you know. I hope they can get over this little obstacle and, you know, move forward in our life. You see me, I say? Yeah, but people, don't forget to hit the like button, you know what I mean? Hit the motherfucking like button. You see me, I say? Drop a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Because I have more about my drop. You see me, I say? Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, ladies and gents. So, bless.